Hey guys, Marissa here from the Sunny Nest Decor. Make sure to hit subscribe to check out more of my tutorials and follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration. Don't forget, you can use my Glowforge referral link to save up to $500 off your Glowforge. Hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to share with you guys the Maker Series website through jpplus.com. So on their website, and I will put the link down in the description, you can come onto here and see all the different products that they offer that are laserable. And if you keep scrolling down, they have projects for you to test out with each of these pieces of material. In addition to that, you can also go to download project file and be able to create this exact project that they have shown here. Today I will be working with the lucent material in the translucent clear color. I'm going to come to download project files. And if you scroll down, you can see the different stencil options. So you get all 4 of these options when you download. It will export as a PDF, but we will show you how to convert that to an SVG file. I'm going to go ahead and drag it onto my desktop. We're going to open up Adobe Illustrator. Once in Adobe, I'm going to click Open. Select my project. Here I'm going to switch the page that I'm going to be opening. So I'm going to put 2-2 so it only opens up that second page with the stencils. Select OK. So once you're in here, you can see all 4. I'm going to click on that, and you see that they are going to all be selected. I will come down to layers, and we are going to delete the background layer. Once you've done that, you can ungroup all of these stencils. Then we're going to go back and regroup each one together. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and save our project as an SVG file.